If you've accidentally deleted a trip or transaction in Hurdlr, you can easily restore it. To restore a trip or transaction, first go to the Mileage, Income, or Expenses tab, depending on what you want to restore. For example, if an expense was accidentally deleted, tap the Expenses tab. Then tap Reviewed at the top of the screen. Tap the gray bar that displays the current year and select Archived from the drop-down list. This will show you a list of all your deleted trips, income, or expense transactions, depending on which tab you're viewing. Tap on the trip or transaction you'd like to restore, and tap the blue Restore button. If the trip or transaction was already tagged as business or personal, it will be moved back to the Reviewed section and tagged accordingly. If the trip or transaction hadn't been tagged, it will be tagged as personal when restored. Just tap the gray bar again to switch your view back to the current year. You can then tap on the entry to edit it as needed. If you have any questions, just tap the chat icon in the top left corner to get in touch with our team. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.